Hello friends, I hope all are well. Yeah, you know that I'm on a mission to improve my speaking English. Today is a special day for every person. Happy New Year 2025. I am practicing my English with New Year. Around of me, there are a lot of people gather in this place to celebrating this New Year. Around of me, people set up fireworks and different kinds of fireworks are happening. It's a great moment every person because they want to memorizing this day every time they are wishing 2025. For that they are doing this. Actually, I don't know what I will tell. Actually, you know that 25th is very special for me. I want to become a fluent speaker in this year. I set this mission. Okay, actually, they are celebrating with this. They set up fireworks. This create air pollution and sound pollution. There are a lot of animals. They become afraid of this what happening right now. We are celebrating this, but it's a very problem for them. We have to careful about this. If you want to see, there are two dogs. They are becoming very afraid. Okay, we have to be careful about that. Okay, I have a elder brother. He want to say something.
Everyone, this is Arjun. Happy New Year to everyone. We have come out to enjoy today's colorful day, and I hope you all will enjoy with us.
Okay, actually, he wishing everyone for 2025. Okay, thank you everybody. I will make a lot of videos today. You know that I have lack of words, for that I do not making this video longer. Stay with me and enjoy 2025. I will make a lot of video in this year. Everybody support me and stay with me. Thank you every person.